Imagine caves that look like they were created by an artist, not by nature. In Chile, on General Carrera Lake, you'll find the marble caves. Massive domes and tunnels carved by water directly into solid marble. The walls shine with shades of blue and turquoise, and the light reflects off the water so beautifully that the caves seem to glow from within. You can reach them only by boat, and every turn reveals a new, surreal chamber. It's one of the most unbelievable natural places on the planet. Would you want to see these caves with your own eyes?